today, for those people that follow my Guage progress, we're going to Wroxham Miniature Worlds, where we're going to have a look at some train layouts for inspiration. So here we are at Miniature Worlds. Follow me. Come in, it's lovely and warm. Oh, what's nice about this little find is that you can even buy things, so make sure you bring your wallet. Make sure you bring your wallet because there's lots of goodies. Look at this. This is before we even get to any layouts. Puzzles. Food. So when you're finished walking around, you can get a lovely hot drink, nice homemade cakes. This lovely gentleman checked us in. We've got brownies, everything you want. Nice little seating area. And here we go. It's fantastic. You can probably hear the sounds of the trains, their operational layouts. Again, lots of stock if you're looking to add to your collection of trains. Prices are really good here as well. So if we go into this bit here where the toilets are, you can even see some of this old stock, old trains, fantastic cars from all the generations. Look at these. I bet we remember these from when we were young, some of us. And for those of us that are young, these are the things we used to play with. Here we go. So this is the first layout. This is Guage, and this is based on Thomas the Tank Engine. There's Thomas. What's nice about this as well, it's really interactive. So there, if we press the button, I have a young man with me who's going to press the button. Any of the buttons will do. Will it work? Oh! Try again. Oh, you have to hold it down. Is he going to come this way? He is. I'm not sure who this is. Wow. Press another button. No, we're not quite sure who the middle button is. Oh, this looks like James going round. He's going round the top there. Fab. So if you've got little ones, they'll really enjoy that. I love this. So this is the European layout. This is an interpretation of European railways based on German, Austrian and Swiss railways. There's the train at the top. It's enormous, this is almost the width. It's probably 2/3 of the width of the barn that we're in. And then there's another one down there. See if I can show you. Is that lovely? Fabulous selection of toys. It takes you back. Takes us right back. And then they've got this as well. I don't quite know what this, I can't find a thing, but it's on the wall facing me in a case. No trains going around on it because it is on its side, but this selection of cars is amazing. There's trains everywhere you look. These are 00 scale. You get to the end of this big layout and you've got like a sailing club, and then you move on round. It carries on round. This is still the Austrian-German railway. So it's changed a little bit from the countryside now to the town. The trains go all the way round. It uses 12mm track. If it was laid out in real life, it would be 1.5 miles long. There's over 1,000 track pieces, I think it says. Yeah, and 100 engines and carriages. The detail's fantastic. I love the fair. We've got the drop tower there. And what's really nice as well, you can see the lights on the fair there flashing. Some lights on a truck. A little helter-skelter. Merry-go-round goes round, and you can see a train in the background. It's just coming round to us now. I'm going to turn around. There's some more exhibits over there. And this is a Japanese railway. Again, it's 00 gauge. And what I like about these, when you come to places like this where there's big layouts, and when you go to the fairs, the model railway fairs, they always have these, which I love. So it says, can you find 3 mountain climbers? There's 2 yellow cars in the city, can you spot them? I love all of that. Oh, I take it back, this is N gauge, this. This is N gauge, wow. This takes some doing. Not keen on city images myself, much prefer countryside, but the detail is fantastic. So if you need inspiration, this is definitely a place to put on your list. Oh, I think we have an operator here. He's a bit shy, he's not going to wave to me. I've got some more cars. This is lovely. And we've got a downstairs, we'll do that in a minute. But here, so all along the length of this, so this is the opposite side. So the length of the barn, this is the Great British layout. We'll recognise this countryside. See how big it is. You could spend ages just standing here watching these trains go round. And see, we've got a bit of steam, a bit of diesel. Some diesel there, I can't see what it is. Some steam going around the back. We've got some freight trucks at the back there, that's also working. And then over there, just in the distance, there's some LNER livery. What I like about these layouts is they're realistic. So you've got this lovely countryside. And you go through the countryside, all around the back there's bridges, and then into the town. So hidden in this layout, there's a TARDIS. And the 3 modern railway children, a Herbie, don't know if you remember Herbie, he was a little beetle. It says he's gone wild somewhere, I haven't found him. It's a super place. Really lovely just to spend an hour or two, couple of hours. And then over here, everywhere you look there's something. These old Pelham puppet show this is. So the coin-operated puppet show was manufactured by Mayfield Electronics between the early 60s and 70s. So that's those. Look at all these. It's a little bit scary, but fascinating nonetheless. Oh look, Pinky and Perky. Remember those? Wow. And then in this area, we've got a massive Scale Electric. Remember Scale Electric? Oh. You can't actually use it, it's just going around to watch. But there is a place not far from where I live where they've got 5 or 6 Scale Electric tracks in a massive warehouse like this. And you can book in and play on all of them in teams of up to 4. So I'll do a little video on that and show you that next time. So I'm just going to come in here because we've nearly finished all the layouts now. It doesn't say what this one is. This is definitely a Guage. And again, nice road and everything in there. And then you've got some old-fashioned games here that you can play. Oh, so these are flight simulators, no, train simulators, these. So you can put your, I think you have to put some money in, I can't remember, I can't see it. You might just be able to have a go. Ooh, let me show you it rather than I'm looking around. Trains and planes, that's right. So this is your train simulator, so you can sit down and have a go. And then you've got a plane simulator as well. You've got a plane simulator there where you can have a go at taking off and landing, which is fab. And then we've got some die-cast models here of all shapes and sizes of planes. So there's something for everyone here. I just can't recommend it enough. Helicopters, die-cast helicopters and planes. There's another railway layout here. So this is an OO gauge, or HO. This is lovely. Can't see a plaque for this one. The scenery is fantastic. I'm getting lots of ideas for what to do for my N gauge layout. I'm definitely not doing a city or a town, although I do like this one behind me. This is a bigger gauge. This is really lovely as well. There's no plaque on here that tells me where it is. It's almost like an old Tudor village where the houses are. That's it, and then we're back to the beginning. I love the way the lakes are done, and the boats and everything.